Hey, it's Danny Watkins, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Hey, this week I get the new bike of the week. Today we got a 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide, Purple Abyss, in the Purple Abyss. As you know, it's got the black trim. It's got the Milwaukee 8117 motor. Also got the easy opening saddlebags here. It's got the big tail lights, which everybody needs. 12.3-inch screen, ride modes, navigation. It's got it all. Bluetooth. Also got all the cool LED lights on this thing, front and rear. We make it easy here at American Eagle. We need your trade-in. It's easy to buy. Come see Danny. Let's put a deal together. We can do test drives. We'll make it happen. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.